Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be coloring from A to Z. Let's get started. This is A. A for apple.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
A for apple. This is B. B for ball.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh
For ball.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
D. D for dog. E. E for elephant.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
E for
Cows in the
elephant.
pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo.
This is F.
Skip to
F
my
for
loo,
fish.
my darling.
F for fish. This is G. G for goat.
Wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
This is H. H for hat.
Off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2.
This is I. I for ice cream.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite.
Lost my partner.
This is
What'll
L.
I do?
L for
Lost my
lion.
partner. What'll I do? Lost my partner. What'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
This is M. M for monkey.
Found my partner.
M
Love
for
is true.
monkey.
Found my partner.
This is
Love
N.
is true.
N for
Found my
nest.
partner. Love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo. Loo, loo.
This is
Skip to
O.
my loo.
O for owl.
Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
For owl. This is P. P for pigeon. This is Q. Q for queen.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
This is R. R for rose.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar.
This is S. S for sun.
Ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. T for tiger. This is U. U for umbrella.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo,
For
my
umbrella.
darling.
This is V. V for van.
Little red wagon.
This is W.
Little red
W
wagon
for
painted
watermelon.
blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
W for watermelon. This is X. X for Xmas.
Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
For
Skip
Xmas.
to my loo, my darling.
This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring all these alphabets with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.